everyone. Welcome to Tuesday. And like we do every Tuesday, we look at the performance of the New Zealand stock market, just basically the NZSX50 being the main board. The normal housekeeping, this is for educational purposes only, certainly not intended to be personalised financial advice. If you're looking for that, then you do need to go and talk to your own financial advisor. Right, let's take a look. Okay, on the screen here, you can see the NZSX50 gross index up on the board. And last week was a down week. In fact, if I take it back out, you can see that, that we've sort of reached a low that was basically around beginning of December last year. Now, hey, is this going to just be an ordinary correction, or is it going to be something a little bit more sinister? That I can't tell. Only time will let us know. But let's just take a look at the volatility. So what we do there is we take the ATR, the average trading range, or average true range, whatever you'd like to refer to it as, and divide it by the current share price. And so at the moment, that's creeped up to about 2%. So there's not heaps of volatility that would be a warning sign for me. However, it has creeped up from about 1.6 a few weeks earlier, 1.6%. So yeah, there is a lot more volatility creeping in. And you can also see down here on the volume, this chart here, even though the market the previous week had an up week, there was more selling than buying. Okay, and that's what that volume indicator indicates there. Now let's just have a look at the 1 year chart. The 1 year chart, and on the 1 year chart, it takes it to a daily candle as opposed to a weekly candle, which I normally look at over the 5 year chart. And look at this. Every day last week, the market was down. Okay, so that is quite a strong indicator. That maybe something's happening, but it's certainly a warning flag for me, which means I'm not looking at entering into any new positions. I've just gone back to the 5 year chart again, and it brings up over a weekly basis. Let's just put an indicator on. Let's put the moving average on and see how that looks. And for those who follow me regularly, I like to use the 30 exponential. And there you go. The market has closed 2 weeks in a row now below that 30-week exponential moving average. That to me is definitely a red flag. And so for that reason, I'm not looking to enter any new positions. I'm definitely holding on to my existing positions, making sure that I've got those trailing stop losses in place. So it means that individual share should fall, then the stop loss will obviously take me out of the market and protect my capital, which is very, very important. And if that individual share keeps running, then that's great. I will keep moving those stop losses up. But in the meantime, this is saying to me, no, we're not going to look for any new buying opportunities. And upon saying that, there's not every week that there is a buying opportunity as well. It's shares individually have to meet certain criteria for me. And for those that follow me regularly, I've certainly done videos on those. Now let's just also put on the 15-period moving average and just take a look and see how that looks. Okay, on a weekly basis, you can see also that the 15-week moving average is turning down. However, it hasn't crossed through the 30-week. So that can still be okay, but it's certainly trending downwards. At the moment that 15-week crosses through the 30-week, highly likely we are in a downtrend. And that it does express a lot of caution, because as they say, basically when the shares are trading below their moving averages, that's when a lot more bad stuff can happen. And I can remember a chief financial officer when I was certainly doing this role. He always used to say that markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So that's definitely why when a share is trading below its moving averages, or in this case the market on the whole, that is why I want to protect my capital and certainly not look to enter any new trading positions. So that's it for this week. If you're looking for a share and review on Thursday, come back again. I'm going to take a look at Mercury Energy and see how they've been performing on a weekly basis. And remember, if you want me to take a look at any shares that you're perhaps looking at, I'm happy to do so. Drop it in the comments. I do read and respond to all of your comments, and they are very, very good. And also, if you are looking for share trading signal services, I do offer that. It is free for the first 30 days. And like I just said, there's nothing new this week. However, I will always let you know if I'm updating any of my stop losses or anything. Or any exits that may assist you with your own share trading journey. So until Thursday, take care.